Hey guys, good mornings. So today I'm shooting a brand video that I'm really excited about because I'm doing like a proper shoot, very conceptual and cinematic after so long for like a brand. And it's mainly because like most brands do not allow creative freedom, and that's honestly so shitty and so counterproductive for them because they're just limiting their options of getting good content and actually making content that would convert and sell, that people would resonate with, instead of like a script that they copy paste and every influencer has to say the same crap. Like that shit, like nobody buys. Like I don't like watching that kind of content. So I really appreciate it when brands give you that creative freedom. So shout out to Tata Click for giving us that creative freedom. My concept's really exciting. I'm playing a different character, so it's almost like a small film. So I'm super excited for it. And the shoots in the evening. Yesterday was kind of hectic because we were just like, it's so last minute. I literally got all the products yesterday and I had to plan the shoot. I had to book a studio, etc., and coordinate with the videographer. So I'm gonna show you the behind the scenes bit of that. But right now, I am packing for Chatai. Shout out to Chatai for not ruining my bed, my mom's favorite accessory. Packing, and I'm just gonna take you through the process. You guys can see how shoots are done, and yeah, it's like a day in my life, like a productive, busy day. So I'm almost done packing. I just have to pack a few things, some sunglasses. I have a few errands that I have to run. I need to straighten some of the wigs because I'm using wigs to play different characters. To write something on like these sunglasses because that's like a brand brief. I'm still figuring out how to do that. Apart from that, I think I'm sorted. So then for the rest of the day, I can just like work, edit. I have another thing to shoot, so I'll probably do that. Quick lunch, it's just like a protein cutlet with salad and hunkered. So like very healthy meal. Gonna watch the studio. Continue watching. This is such a good show. Incline walk, like a 12:30 situation. And after that, I have to get some things for the shoot, and I have to go to my aunt's house to pick up some things as well. So that's the POA. Or should I say PIA? That's the PR guy. I'm on my way for the shoot, and I just want to complain ki matlab I'm a little bit of a baby. Like the fact that I had to pack everything on my own, run all these errands on my own, get the suitcase from my house to like my car on my own while holding my matcha and my bottle of water and the speaker. Like it's like I don't want to do this. Like I just want to be a fucking princess, and like I just always feel like I need like a man to come do this for me. And even if it's not a man, like just like somebody who wants to do this for me, you know, because why not? So yeah, so I'm just like pumped about that. But like what's really helping is key like listening to like BD Jalale. I don't want to sound like I'm doing so much, but honestly, like everything that I've done today, I feel like it's really like adult and like very very in my masculine energy. And I'm really like, tomorrow I'm gonna have to make up for all the work that I've done today by really resting and relaxing and spoiling myself. Like I also went to the gym today, which chef's kiss, I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, so I hope the shoot goes well now, because I feel like I worked hard for it in like a very short period of time. I'm like trying to do a lot, and like the main thing is that I'm doing it all by myself. I feel like I have no help, and I feel like a really big baby and victim about that, which I don't know if it's like the wrong mentality, but like it's just like frustrating. Like, you know, like I just don't like to do so many things. Like I only like to use my brains. I don't like to do physical shit. So yeah, but let's see. We'll see how the shoot goes. You'll meet the gang who's shooting, which is just like 3 people more. But okay, the signal is over. Bye. Oh my god, this angle is so bad. But basically, I forgot to tell you that also another reason why I'm so like irritated and stressed out is because this AC, first of all, I think it's not working. I think it's just the fan because it's so noisy, and the wind only comes from one of the blowers and the other one is absolutely dead. So I have to literally like move this side to get air like on this side. And I had booked a driver because I thought I'd be really tired, so I didn't want to drive because it's like almost an hour of driving like back and forth. and I'm already spending so much money on the shoot, so I thought that might as well, fuck it, like I'll just spend a little more money. That app could not find any driver, so last minute, and it's too late for me to look, so I ended up just like driving myself, which I do not regret, because I feel like that's one of the reasons why now this vlog is a little more fun. But I had intended to practice my lines and like my dialogue, so I'd be more मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ, more like मैं कहाँ नहीं जा रही हूँ, क्योंकि you know the worst thing to do when you're driving is to stay behind like a fucking tempo. They are like the slowest ever. Like I always try to like cross them. Like it takes so much effort and like so much time and energy into getting a campaign right. That's when I feel like sometimes I'm just like, I'd rather not make any money. No, I don't mean that, God. Then like close a campaign for a lesser budget, because it actually like takes so much of me and so much of my time and patience and energy, and so much of my cortisol more than anything else, like to execute one piece of like brand content. But like I want to get to a place where like this shit does not stress me out, because I have like a few friends who are just so chilled out. I don't know why I'm always like on the edge, because I just have like, I think it's perfectionism, because I just want everything to be like perfect. Maybe that's why. Fuck perfectionism. What matters is consistency. मुझे नहीं करना किसी को impress. सब तेल लगाने जाओ. Like I don't care. क्योंकि मतलब बस हो गया यार. Like I'm just gonna do my best. Like, and that has to be good enough for the world. And if it isn't, like the next one will be, or the next one will be like project. Okay. Okay, now music time. Bye bye. Doing my makeup quickly. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm gonna show you the studio in a bit once I'm done with my makeup, and then we'll get started. Are we on time? What's the time? We're a little late.
8:28.
Yeah, we're a little late. Definitely later than what I thought. Yeah, but we have like moment of truth. Okay, now we need to make this work. Black Honey by Clinique. I love it because it looks so dark, but it just becomes like this very soft, nice color. I'm gonna apply some pink because I feel like the yellows need that. Say hi to my vlog. Set up.
Nah.
I love it. You look like some singer. Who's that guy? Like some rock and roll dude. Like Tashan me, that guy. Somebody wears a wig in that movie. I think it's Karina only. I feel like it looks better on you. So we're done with our shoot. How was the shoot, guys? Rated on a scale of 1 to 10.
10. 100.
He wants the money, that's why. You say.
What?
I was like, the payment is due now. That's why I was saying 10.
He to said 100 only.
I said 100.
100 on 10. That is.
Because
That's
of
10.
वो पहले सुनने दे मेरे को किसकी वजह से?
Huh?
Because of
Because of. I'm waiting for you to complete that statement. Because of these guys, right? Hi guys, it's 2 o'clock right now. I just got home from the shoot. We ended up going to Carter Blues to get some dinner because we hadn't eaten anything. And it was really cute and fun, and honestly, like, they did such a good job and they were so quick and efficient, like Kunal and his team. So that's awesome. And now I'm kind of exhausted, but I still have a lot of energy. Like, I'm not asleep. At this hour, I'd be like in my second REM cycle or something normally. But now I'm really late to get home. So I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Bye.